Welcome to the Hypnos Pillow Experience, our smart, breathable, and perfectly soft pillow. Press 1 for the unique tense pulse massage mode. Enjoy the amazing low-frequency pulse stimulating your muscles and nerves. Relieve any built-up shoulder pain. Press 2 to activate the special infrared heating function. Feel the warmth flow through your body and relieve your neck and shoulder pressure, thanks to the advanced carbon nanotube heating mechanism built into the Hypnos pillow. Finally, get ready for a unique mini vibration music experience to assist your sleep. Do you hear that? This pure built-in music is traveling to your ears thanks to 2 invisible speakers built into the pillow. You can also choose any music you want from your phone using Bluetooth. Okay, piano it is. And when you fall asleep, the built-in piano music turns off on its own. The Hypnos pillow is perfect for sleeping on your back and on your side. We call it innovative butterfly design. Feeling relaxed? This is the Hypnos pillow experience. Hypnos, your personal spa pillow.